Hey guys, tonight I did a spring type of orangey yellowish look. I was feeling kind of springy tonight and wanted something really bright and colorful. If you want to see how I got this look, make sure you continue watching. Okay guys, so because I will be using bright colors in this look and I really want these colors to shine and be really bright and vibrant, I'm going to start with my NYX white eyeshadow base. Anytime that I'm using eyeshadow that is really bright colors, I will go in with a white eyeshadow base because it just makes the colors pop that much more. I'm taking my shadow shields and I love using these because it gives me that nice edge, sharp look whenever I do my eyeshadow. Some people use tape, some people don't use anything at all. It's definitely your choice. So for my first color, I'm taking the orange out of that Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to pack that in with a flat blending brush all over my top of my eyelid. And again, I'm just packing that in. I'm not blending yet. So I'm going to go back into the Juvia's Place palette using that yellow color in there. Apparently I had too much eyeshadow on my brush, so I flicked it off, and honey, the dust was everywhere way off. Anyways, I'm going to take that yellow, I'm going to put that right on top of the orange. I'm going to pack that on. I have not started blending yet. I'm going to wait until I get the desired yellow, or as much as I want on the eyelid first on top of that orange, and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm using the windshield wiper motion between the orange and the yellow where they meet, and just making sure that those two colors mesh very well. I was just going to keep it orange and yellow with this look, but I wanted something a little bit more dramatic in my outer V area. So I'm going in with my Saharan 2 Juvia's Place palette in the color Zohra, which is just a darker burgundy, and I'm placing that right in the outer corner of my eye, and then just going between my orange brush that I used earlier and the burgundy brush that I just used, back and forth, and making sure that they all blend together. You don't want your eyeshadows to look like a stacked rainbow. You want all your colors to mesh together, and try not to have any fine harsh lines. So once again, using that NYX white eyeshadow base, I am going to place that right in the middle, making like a semi little circle so that when I place that yellow on my eye, that it pops really bright. Okay, so using again that yellow that I took earlier on my upper eyelid, I'm just going to place that right in the middle of my eye. And then I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place, the Magic, in the color Nubia, which is a golden type of shimmery gold. I'm going to place that right in the middle too. And then I'm going to go into my Miskos palette, which is glitter. It's a glittery, sticky kind of glittery eyeshadow base that I'm going to put right on top of that. So it's 3 different eyeshadows that I use to get that nice, vibrant, golden, shimmery color right in the middle of my eye. I will be doing an eyeliner and eyelash tutorial, so I kind of rushed through these 2 parts, but nothing changed. Still using my NYX matte eyeliner, my favorite. But what I'm doing here real quick is I'm taking my hair bonding glue that I use for my eyelashes. You do not have to use this. Use whatever eyelash bonding glue that you would like. This is just my preference. But what I do before I put my mascara on is I put a little bit of the hair bonding glue down on a piece of paper, and I let that get tacky while I put my mascara on first. It's just that's just something I've always done. I always want to make sure that whenever I put my eyelashes on, that my glue is always tacky. So that's why I showed the glue first in this part. Really quick guys, I just want to apologize for the lighting. I did order a nice lighting thing for my background that was supposed to have came 2 days ago via Amazon Prime, but I have not received it yet. So hopefully in my next video I won't look so orangey and the color be so off. Again, I just started this YouTube thing, so hopefully in my next video I will have that ring light and a background so that it look a little bit more professional. Okay, so this part is, again, I'm taking that NYX eyeshadow primer and I'm putting that underneath my eye so that the colors that I am going to be using will pop. And all I'm going to do is take a Q-tip and put that right underneath my waterline. And then I'm going to take the burgundy color, the darkest color that I used first, put that on the outer part, and then the orange color in the middle and the yellow on the inner part of my eye. As usual, I always moisturize my face first, and then I'm going to go in with my Fenty primer. I love this primer. It smells so good, and I love the way it makes my skin feel like silk and makes my makeup look flawless. I always use my Infallible Pro Matte L'Oreal, but today I wanted to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r. It is a soft matte, and it went on absolutely so silky and beautifully. I have absolutely no complaints about this foundation, y'all. Don't sleep on it. Girl, that is a lot of hair. Oh,
it's easy to comb it. I'm surprised.
You combed it all out?
Yeah.
So now you're gonna wash it?
Yeah.
You'll see when you wash it, it's gonna be so much easier rather than washing it when it's really nappy, honey. It's gonna be beautiful. So whenever I am going to highlight my face, I always conceal it first, and I do that first by using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. And what I'm doing is I'm just getting rid of, especially underneath my eyes, the dark colors underneath my eyes or any bags or anything like that. And plus I'm just extra, and I just like an extra little bit of highlight. Okay, that's just what I do. And then I'm going to use my Lexi Pro Precision Face Brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. And once I blend that out, and to give my face just a little bit more highlights, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage in the color Sand and hit those same areas up again. And then I'm going to set that with my Sacha Buttercup so that that makeup does not move throughout the day.
Nope, not this time.
Making a video.
I look good anyway, so. Oh, you look cute. Alright, love you. Bye. Deuces.
Where are you going?
I'm trying to go grocery shopping.
I thought you were going grocery shopping yesterday.
No, we went out to eat yesterday. We didn't have time. So, yeah. Alright, let me bye.
Yeah. I love you. Text me when you get home. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation stick, and I'm going to contour my face. What this does is that, one, brings some chocolate back into this face. Yes, it brings some chocolate back into your face. It brings back color to your face. And two, it shades any areas that you want to define or reshape, like your nose, your forehead, your chin, your cheekbones, etc. Of course, anytime that you are contouring or highlighting your face, you have to make sure that you set it with the powder. Otherwise, it will crease throughout the day. And I also set my whole face with that Milani compact makeup too. Using my Morphe E8 brush, I'm going to set that contour with the NARS bronzer in the color Casino. And then going to take the color Tau in the Saharan blush number 2 palette and hit up my cheekbones. And then setting that powder and my face with the MAC Prep and Prime, I am just juicing the heck out that face, and it just helps my makeup last longer, and it helps it give me a matte look. And using the Warrior by Juvia's, I'm going to take the Bakwa, that gold nice shimmery color, and I'm going to highlight and shimmer up this face, honey. Okay, so I forgot to record, apparently on camera, me putting on my lipstick, but all I did today was a gloss and a liner. In ColourPop and my Kiss Luxury Lip Liner. And here all I'm doing is, I do have juicy lips, yes. But sometimes I just want them to pop a little bit. So I just learned this trick. All I do is I take a concealer, in this case the LA Pro Concealer, outline my lips, blend it out, and then pop on a little bit of powder over top. And it just makes my lips just pop out a little bit more than it already does. guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my little orange and yellow springtime look tonight with a little bit of glitter, actually a whole bunch of glitter. I am a glitter fanatic, don't judge me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you comment below, let me know what you guys would like to see in the future so that I can make sure I give that to you. I know I have been gone for a minute. I am motivated now. I'm going to be here at least once a week now with these videos. I'm going to start trying to do videos on other people also too, so that I can talk through the videos and whatnot, and also start doing some live videos so I can answer questions as I am doing the makeup. But yeah, well, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that whenever I do post a video, you are automatically notified immediately. Okay, that whole last sentence didn't make sense, but you know what? You know what I was talking about. Immediately, okay? Just hit the darn bell, okay? Notification bell. All right, guys. I hope you have a blessed day. Cash out.